That's some mighty examples.
I wonder what my mom packed me for lunch today. A baked potato? How's up? Lays?
Another addition to the Snacks app is the multiplying of food.
Party in London, party. Wait, there's not enough cookies for all of us. OMG times XX3. Ooh. Delicious.
Hi, I'm Snooki, and this is the Snacks app. I loved it. It made every midday snack into something mini. It was beautiful. To get the Snacks app, call 1-800-27-34-8910, 11-34-87, or go to www.getalife.com. Call now to get a second one for your baby sister's cousin. Warning, do not shoot at people. One last only girl. There'll be one less lonely girl. Oh! This is why you don't shoot at people, because it's mean to creatures around the world, and it's disrespectful to crust. Side effects may include obesity. Death. Here's some of our happy customers.
Are we on? Okay. Hi, I'm Melvin Snickle-Lickle-Rudge. Sorry. And, my dad named me that. And I think this thing completely sucks.
Hi, I know you. You're a Snooki. Hi. Five, six, 7, 8. Pop it, lock it, polka dot it, country style. Pop it, New York to sky, move side to side. Jump to the left, stick it right. Zigzag, cross, shuffle, diagonal.